So for the shadows, I'm going to take that same yellow, red, and white mixture that we did. I'm going to mix a little bit more violet in there than I did previously. And the area where the shadow falls on the candy corn, I want to make that a much darker shadow than I have on the rest of it. Should be a nice hard line sitting there in the shape of the candy corn shadow. Technically you could feather out the edges, but you don't have to on this one. If you want to feather it, you'll do it with a dry brush and just kind of dab where that meets. Don't overdo it, you don't want to blend it out. You still want to see that it's very dark through there. Now, once we've done that, we're going to take another brush. Once again, a wet brush. Not soaked, we're not going for watercolor here. We're going to take a ton of white. We're going to add just a bit of the violet color in there. We want like a very whitened lavender. We'll take some black. We'll add a little bit of black at a time. It's a chance to really clean up the edges of your candy. You can take in a bit more black if you want to and have a darker area. You don't want to outline the darker area, but you want to have a couple areas of interest. Where it's not just one solid color. You can take in your light gray again. Kind of blend some of it out. Honestly, look at the shadows on your actual photo when you're doing shadows. That'll tell you where the darker spots will be. We'll do the same thing on the shadow for our candy corn. What we don't want to do is we don't want to take this candy corn shadow and take it onto the starburst. We've already created the starburst shadow. Excuse me, the candy corn shadow that's on the starburst. So again, take some of the darker black, choose some areas that your photo tell you to choose that are a little bit darker than the others. And you've created shadows. Got it?